Hey guys, my name's Alex with Heavy Throttle. Today we're going to be checking out this ATI Super Damper for the LS3. This is going in my 350Z that we swapped in the LS3 with. Alright, so let's unbox this. Alright, got some stickers, always excited, and our instruction manual here. Here we go. It's actually a couple pages, and it has your warranty information on the back that you can fill out and send in. Another sticker, made in the USA. And this is the one-piece hub that we have here for the crank. As you can see, I'll bring that up in just a couple minutes so you can see it a little more up close. And we've got the bolts, okay, which looks like has some Loctite on there for us. And last but not least, the Super Damper Harmonic Balancer. It's going to help protect your engine from vibration from the crank. So this is this big bad boy, and we got the one that is a single piece here. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this up so I can see it up close. If you're familiar with LS motors or anything, you see a lot of these dampers being used. Okay. Got everything on there, and these are rebuildable. So here's the hub, one piece, nice color to it. All right, so we're going to install this today, hopefully, and I'm sure it'll work fine.